A low-pressure system is expected to remain slow-moving over northern New Zealand for the next few days. This directs moist northeast winds over the country, with several embedded fronts affecting northern and central regions. Periods of prolonged rain are forecast for northern and eastern areas of the North Island and the northeast of the South Island, which will be heavy at times and also affect areas that are already saturated from recent rainfall. An area of low pressure directs a moist northeasterly flow onto the country on Saturday. Note that watches and warnings for heavy rain on Saturday have already been issued by the Met Service. The northeast flow eases on Sunday, but a front is then expected to move east onto the South Island with rain in the west. Moist northwesterlies bring further rain to many western areas on Monday. Note that the heavy rain may affect Gisborne, Hawke's Bay and possibly the Coromandel Peninsula for many days and could damage to roads and cause slips. On Saturday there is a high confidence in warning amounts of rain for Gisborne, much of Hawke's Bay and the east of Marlborough as indicated on the chart. Warnings for heavy rain have already been issued. There is a moderate confidence in warning amounts of rain for Coromandel Peninsula, Bay of Plenty, the remainder of Marlborough and Nelson. On Sunday there is a moderate confidence in warning amounts of rain for Coromandel Peninsula, Bay of Plenty, Gisborne, Hawke's Bay, Nelson, Marlborough, Westland and Fiordland. On Monday there is a moderate confidence in warning amounts of rain affecting Fiordland and Westland. There is a low confidence in warning amounts of rain for Bulla, the west of Nelson and Taranaki. On Tuesday further rain is likely to affect many North Island areas and the upper South Island, but warning amounts are not expected at this stage. For Australia, band of convective cloud associated with a cold front lies over central South Australia.